I'm trying, but I keep falling down. I cry out, but nothing comes now. I'm giving my all, and I know peace will come. I never wanted to need someone.
I hate myself. I hate my face, my body, the environment that I'm in. I see pictures in magazines, and when I look back at myself, I no longer like what I see. Filled with so much negativity till negativity became me.
Help me out of this hell. Your love lifts me up like helium. Your love lifts me up when I'm down, down, down. When I've hit the ground, you're all I need. And if you let go, I'll float towards the sun.